Don't you to go. Don't you to go.
¿Qué te importa? ¿Qué te ¿Qué te importa? ¿Qué te
Don't you to go. Don't you to go. Don't you to go. Don't you to go. Telling you to go. Telling you to go. Telling you to go.
Chat. How we doing today, man? What is popping? Yo, I may or may not have been late again. I can't remember though. Should we get this one started? I think we should. Let's load this one up, yeah? Come say hi if you're here, chat. I want to see some names. And then we'll start it. Holy. What a day. What a day, what a day, what a day. That's better, a bit more lively music. Chat. Whoa, what is that exposure doing? Holy Sigma. Chat, what's good, man? Hopefully you guys are good. Let me fix this real quick. What the frick? Okay, we're good. Chat, good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening. What's good, Gareth, Triz, High Life, Ardino. W7's here. My man became honey. I was glowing, chat. I was actually glowing. I can't lie. What's good, Flapjack as well. Smike's here. Victory Settings. All the boys are here today, chat. What is good? Holy levels. Let me delete some of these real quick. Chat, good morning, good evening. Like I said, we are back. It's a big day today. It's a P to the P to the I. PPI today. Huge day. Call PPI and PPI in 45 minutes here, chat. Let's see if we can get a trade before it. What it do? What it do? Chat. Analysis time. Let's jump into it. So, weekly time frame. That's a horrible chart. Let's rephrase this. Holy analysis, chat. What's going on? All right, yeah. Previous weekly time frame closed bullish, respecting the level. You now have essentially a bearish weekly candle coming down here that could flip or could continue with respecting this resistance. We don't know yet. Daily time frame, however, did close very bearish below most recent support. I guess kind of respecting overall support. And it's almost like a hammer candle as well. Next candle's coming up though, without a bottom wick. So we could be looking for a daily flip on this one. It's very, very indecisive right now. I can't lie. But anyway, 4-hour time frame previously closed bullish. Current 4-hour is just a bottom wick, which is very interesting. But again, you close sort of respecting this level up here as well. So it's like, it's playing games with us, chat. It's playing games. However, dropping down to the 1 hour, we have a market structure shift, chat. All right, you shifted into some bullish market structure here, kind of. Also kind of not though. And then on the lower time frame, we're looking bearish again. So again, it's very confusing. So how do we get through this? Well, I'm about to tell you, chat. Don't you worry. Don't you fret. Don't be afraid. I know you guys are sat there shivering in the corner. It's okay. We're going to get through this together. So, I have to hit that every time. Okay, so what we're going to do here, chat, is we're going to look at our first level being here at 43. This is a strong level. Every time you close above this 43 area right here, 43.2, we see a nice little continuation up. So that's going to be our first one. That takes you up towards, I would say, yeah, 50.9 as a minimum. That's your next level of sort of interest after there. Then, what do we have below here, chat? Well, we do have 33.31 as a level. Okay? Pretty decent level for sales, I'm not going to lie. Every time you close below this 33.31 level, you start to rip down. Music's a bit like, oh, yeah, okay, my bad. Thank you for the warning. But yeah, look, we are closing below there every time and continuing down. So that's important, and that is something we need to take into account. And then after that, if you do close below, you have room towards 23, which is actually also the most recent support we made. So this is very clean, chat, in terms of levels. But we just need some confirmation. I'm quite... Oh, shit, I turned... Yo... I turned the mic down instead of the music. Yeah, well, maybe I wanted to do that, all right? So, I don't even know what you guys are talking about. First day on the job? I remember my first stream. I actually do remember my first stream, to be fair. But chat, shut the fuck up, all of you, all right? If you ever say anything about me being bad at streaming again, you're getting beaten up, all right? But, Yeah, these are the levels, chat. Very simple. Closure above this area here at 43 takes you up. Closure back below takes you down. We could look for a trade within this range as well. 15 digits close, no top wick, which is a bit annoying. So we're probably going to have to wait here, chat. I'm not going to lie. I'm going to be patient. Don't go. Please stay. You are the only one I need. Stand by. Such a screamer, that. What's good, Ja? How's it going, brother? Nocturnal out. Nicholas, is that you? Or is it someone else? Because you did a flip bro. How much did you flip yesterday? What's good, fam? I'm not reading that out. That's an insane message. All right, chat. How can you even welcome me? Jed. Welcome to the stream. Hang on. Chat, I'd like to extend a warm welcome to Mr. Jed. Jed Thompson over here. Everyone, welcome him to the stream. He's just cried because I didn't welcome him, so let's give him a nice warm. Yo, what is going on with the fucking mic, man? You having a sickener? Nah, I pressed the button on the... There's like a little... Wait, hang on. See, I'm muted. No, I'm not muted. No, I'm not muted. Alright, there you go. Holy shit, chat. Stinker today. Still muted? Shush. Victory settings. Oh, no, Triz, sorry. No way. Bro's cooked? Nah. You broke it beatboxing Jed's welcome into it? Bro, I had to get all close and personal to it, otherwise he would have been really upset. Okay, chat. How have you guys been though? Huh? Hopefully you guys are good. Fucking right back into it this morning. Anyone got any positions? What do we take? Let me know. Hopefully you made some millies. You didn't make at least $1 million this morning before breakfast. Just know you're behind the rest of the curve. All right? You're slacking, actually. You're fucking embarrassing. Nothing today? Poor. Sales earlier 4%? Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Sales earlier as well. Yeah, SG, you explained the Oki high break in London. Oki? What? High break in London. I took it this morning. It worked, but got out BE. Unfortunate, but I like the setup. No stress, man. Do you mean the Tokyo high break? You said Oki, but I think you mean Tokyo. Yeah. Yo, these session highs and lows are actually goated. Can't lie. I did it again today. Holy shit. Chat, yesterday swept Asian high and then just ripped. Today, same thing. Maybe we have a mirror here as well, because you basically broke the high, came back, and then ripped. So maybe we're going to do a similar thing. Who knows? Maybe not, though. Taking notes. Yeah, good stuff, Tony. Chat, by the way, yesterday was the webinar. Yesterday was the masterclass that I've been talking to you guys about all week. It was fucking sick. We had maximum capacity in it. Completely full. And bro, just so much learning. I can't lie. Absolutely so much learning. It was unreal. It went on for like 2 and a bit hours. And a load of people won funded accounts. Can't complain, man. Fucking sick. I was actually really happy with I enjoyed it a lot is what I'm trying to say, which I didn't think I was gonna, but I did. So we might be doing another one. Not for a while though, probably maybe not even this year. But eventually, yes. SG, how are you? What's good, Mighty Meat? I'm doing very, very well. How's you and how's your meat? Whoa. I just came out, I can't lie. DXY is at a breakout stage currently above 98.7. Should send gold down again. We'll see. Chat. Holy Sigma. Crypto's been ripping it. Ethereum's pumping. Bitcoin hit 120k, 122,000 schmeckles, chat. It's a lot of fucking schmiddlywinks there. Yeah, crazy, man. Bro, totally crazy, bro. In it, bro. Nah, but yeah, we're actually ripping it. Time to make 10 billion. Anyone holding crypto? I'm good, ready to lock in with my coffee. W, bro, good stuff. I'm the captain now. Unfortunately, I'm still the captain. BTC only, smart. Bow, 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 bow. Ah, fuck, my phone went flat. Crazy. Throwing it back for the camera. Oh, shit. Did not mean to do that. Right. Chat, we have 8 minutes here to the hourly close. What are we going to get? By the way, if you haven't already, make sure you fucking drop a like on the stream. Subscribe if you're new. We've actually been killing it recently, guys, with the support. You guys have been showing so much love. It doesn't go unnoticed. 7K on YouTube right now. We're up on every single metric. Yeah, man. I'm excited. Bought 5 ETH at 1400. Road to 10K. Nice, bro. Always appreciate it. Yeah, man. Chat, it's been an interesting one. I've been loving creating content recently, though. My output has been higher than ever. But chat, obviously, need to make sure we focus on the trading. Trading comes first, right? A lot of people ask me like how I have time to make so much content. And the pure and simple reason is I don't trade for very long at all, to be honest. Like, I mean, I do, but I trade during my session and then after that, I'm free. Like most traders want to just go ahead and live like that lifestyle that everyone sees where they go ahead and like trade and then play Xbox all day or go and do shit randomly. Bro, if you can trade profitably, it's going to take you like 3 hours a day maximum, right? What are you going to do with the rest of those 21 hours? You're not going to spaff them away, surely. That's why I don't get when everyone's like, yeah, but you make YouTube videos, so you must not be a trader. It's like, bro, you think I'm going to sit there for fucking 21 hours a day and just have a tug? Yeah. Like, no, obviously I'm not. 20 hours a day, maybe I'll have a tug for that long, but then the other hour, I'll at least make some content whilst I'm at it. Come on. The rest of it, yeah, exactly. Publish. Okay, cool. Tugging is content? Yeah, that's a different platform though. That is a different platform. That can't go on the red platform, it goes on the blue platform. Hitting 40K at least this month for trading. Dollars? Good shit, man. That's huge. Big results. Oh no, euro? Even better. Even better. All right, cool. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, euros is insane. Bro, do you trade in euros? I think it would be so weird to have your account balance in euros. I think mine personally is in dollars always. Because I don't feel the emotion as much with dollars. Because dollars seems like monopoly money, right? I think that's actually a little cheat code, to be honest. If you guys are struggling with like dealing with the money, then change your currency that your account's in to like something else. Because then like, you know, like let's say you're in the UK, right? And you're trading with pounds, okay? Well, whenever you take a trade, let's say you're risking £1,000, you can immediately understand exactly how much money that is, and that's when the fear comes in, because you're thinking, oh shit, this is like, I don't know, a month's groceries or whatever it is, right? But if you have it in a different currency, what's going to happen obviously is then you end up, why is it focused on a different spot? Then you end up like not realizing exactly how much money you're risking in a good way, right? Obviously you still want to risk a certain amount of percent, but the fear behind the money is not actually there. Yo, chat, I have a cut in my mouth right here. And it's fucking painful to speak. So you guys can appreciate the streams, man. I'm giving my own blood, sweat, and tears to these streams. Such a hard job, right? Such a hard job. Put me up there with like Marines and shit. All right, cool. Chat, my phone again. Like, I swear to God, I start getting hella messages the moment I start stream. All right, cool. I'm locked in there. I'm locked in. Finally. Why can't I turn them down there? Chat, do you know how to turn notifications down on WhatsApp? I don't know. Who's going to carry the boats and the logs? I don't know, not me. I was gonna say something then, but I think I'll get cancelled for it. There's a certain there's actually quite a large number of people that are carrying the boats at the minute into the French channel. Give me a 200k funded. For you, Rays, I'll give you a 300k funded. Yo, I closed the WhatsApp app down and it's still bringing me notifications. All right, there you are. All right, cool. Chat, 1 minute to this hourly closure. Let's lock it in. This, to be fair, could be decent to take us up towards the highs as well. You got bullish market structure now on the 5 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour. Just concerned that we start to... Are we starting to reject a little bit? Yeah, a tiny bit. We're also just ranging, right? You do have PPI news in 30 minutes as well, chat. Boella, what does that mean? Yo, I get super scared when anyone sends foreign words in here, because... It could be anything. It scares me every time. Don't send foreign fucking stuff in here with a different language that I don't understand. Does not mean anything, just a random word? Yeah, sure. Sure. Alright, chat, 14 seconds. So it looks like we want to close bullish on this hourly. Let me open up my Brokerinho. Bottom week first as well. Tiny one though. How much room do you have to the top of the range? 40 pips? It's not terrible. I just looked on futures as well. It didn't even have a... It was top wick first. How can they be so different? Very strange. Let's see if we can grab some liquidity here. You might get a trade to the upside here. Gonna take some buys at the break of the high. I would do if we got a big bottom wick here. Potentially, because you have a market structure shift right now. I think the entry might have been here, to be fair. That was a good entry. But we're in the middle of the range right now, so if it doesn't print perfectly, I'm not interested really at all. I think we need some more volume as well. News in 30 minutes? Yeah, true. And the volume's low. This is both very true, chat. Actually, volume's not that low. Hey, what's good, Danny? How's it going, brother? Volume equals NPCs? What? No trade until 30 minutes? I don't know, man. We'll see. What did I just move? We'll see, because if this rips down right now, makes a decent bottom wick and then flips, you should continue up towards the top of the range, but it might also be the better play to wait until news. In fact, I would say it probably is. We have 30 minutes, which is a long time, right? Normally our trades are not 30 minutes. But nah, it's hovering about too much here. I'm not interested in this at the minute. Look at this. This weird consolidation is like not really what I'm looking for. Oh, thank you. I've turned my fucking notifications off. That is so much better. No trades for me today. Sorry. No trades for me so far this week. Pretty chuffed with it, as I normally trade for the sake of it when not fully concentrating. That is a really, really good step in the right direction, right? I know how difficult that is as well, because you can be bored as fuck and you can just be like, oh, I think I could take a trade right now. There's like a half setup here. Let me just go ahead and take one. And then what happens is you get cooked and you're like, why the fuck did I do that? Heard someone explain range 1 and range 2, which is the most dumbest thing ever. Market structure is much better. I used to look at range 1 and range 2 and got fucked time and time again. Yeah, bro. Well, range 1, range 2 was just a weird, complicated way of saying market structure, right? But until I started really figuring out proper market structure, and again, actually, market structure is more complicated than you think, right? Was it this one? Was it this video here? I think on this video right here, I gave a really, really in-depth breakdown of market structure, right? So if you don't really understand how market structure works, make sure after stream you go ahead and watch this video. I think it was this one. Or maybe it was the video before, actually. Yeah, it was the video before this one. Actually, no, there was market structure in that one as well, but this one is the best breakdown, I think, of it. Yeah. This one right here. That one has got like a really good in-depth breakdown of like market structure as well as fake market structure, because that's a concept that I've been using a lot recently, right? There's the concept, well, I've kind of just named it that, right? But like essentially a fake market structure shift. Now, a fake market structure shift is basically a liquidity grab that breaks structure, but people don't think it's a liquidity grab, right? So it's when you go ahead and do something like this, right? You'll see the market do it so many times. You're trending up like this, and then it does something like this, and everyone thinks, oh shit, it broke that. It's made a lower low, so it must be doing this next. When in reality, what ends up happening is it does that, and then it comes down and breaks that low, and it's actually just swept these lows, and then continues up like this even more aggressively, right? So a lot of people don't understand that, and they think market structure is just as simple as waiting for one market structure shift. But actually what you need to do instead is wait for like a confirmation of that, which in my opinion would be something like this. So like either you wait for a lower low and then a lower high and then you take the position, like somewhere around here, or you wait for it to break again and then you take this one like that. But that'll essentially stop you from getting faked out. Happens over and over. In fact, do we have it? Yeah, like here yesterday, basically, right? So essentially, in fact, is there a better? This is a better example. So you like, actually no, we'll use the first one. So for example, you're trending downwards here, right? And then people think you've changed structure. Now it's bullish market structure on the 5. But actually what goes ahead and happens is it's not even bullish market structure. This was just liquidity and then it drives down. You can see how we sort of faked the market structure shift. It's not just a break and retest though, because break and retest can still be market structure, right? You can have, like, that could be a break and retest, right? You know, like this. And then this. But it could also go and do something like that. But you actually come below these, all of these levels. Market structure closes below, so not even just a retest, but a closure below, and then drives. And that's what gets a lot of people. But we take the fake out, and we understand that. And once you can learn how to spot that, it's actually an extremely good principle. Chat, this 5-minute flipped here. Holy. I think we continue down here. We might have the same thing happening here, chat, right? We just broke above these highs, but now you're continuing back down. Maybe we see that continuation, or maybe not. I don't know, but we have to wait for confirmation, chat. That's the whole point. Gonna make a mil today? 100%. All right, cool. Yeah, chat. Holy shit, we flipped on the 4-hour as well. I was just looking at that. So the 4-hour essentially came down, grabbed a shitload of liquidity, and is now flipped. So indecision here is pretty high. We need some, yeah, news should give us some direction. That's a very good point. Chat, by the way, 60 of you in here. Drop a like if you haven't already. Yeah. Okay, cool. Perfect. So, yeah, PPI. What do they expect from PPI, chat? What do they expect? So, changing the price of finished goods and services, yeah, whatever. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency. So they think it's going to be higher than the previous. And then if it's higher than that expected higher, if that makes sense. If it's higher than they're predicting, right? Then that's good for currency, which is going to be bad for gold. So we'll see. You have PPI month on month and core PPI month on month. It's going to be interesting what comes out. So we have how long till that? 20 minutes. Should give you a lot more direction. Just stay patient here, chat. Yesterday we got a trade after news, right? Which, by the way, chat, by the blood clot way, that trade was here, no? Where was that? Yeah. Here, right? No. Can't have been. Maybe here. I don't know. Wherever it was, I can't really remember. I think it might have been this one, actually. Yeah. We ended up absolutely ripping down. Oh, it's this one right here. Yeah, we ended up ripping down afterwards. All the way down. But it just took us out break even first, man. Tough, but it is what it is. Just took us out break even, unfortunately. Sometimes in live chat, that's what happens. That would have been very clean. Obviously, I would not have held until all the way down there. Probably would have closed for somewhere in this area here. But the point stands, it was a very good trade. Just sometimes you get taken break even, right? But what I've been doing recently as well, to work on what I was struggling with before, which was holding trades for a longer period of time, I just go break even now whenever it hits my BE point, obviously, and then I just hold it. Like, I've just sort of detached myself from a win and loss and whatever. If I get break even, I get break even. If not, then who cares? And it's actually been working out extremely well. It's easier said than done, but once you actually just force yourself to just hold these trades after your break even, you got nothing to lose, right? You're already risk free. Why would you not hold the position? If Bitcoin makes higher and higher, wait, what? If Bitcoin's going higher, what reaction in the gold market? I mean, they're not necessarily linked, to be honest, bro. I mean, they are technically like, they're loosely correlated because of the dollar. They're both against the dollar, right? But if there's really bad news for the dollar, then obviously you see gold and Bitcoin going up at the same time. But yeah, man. What's ITDD? Like inter-trade? Daily drawdown or what? Trailing? Intraday trailing daily drawdown. Yeah. Intraday. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that does... I think most traders don't trade on props with trailing drawdown like that. So I don't think that's the main issue, but that definitely does hurt. But the problem is... Yeah, I mean, it doesn't help. It doesn't help. You can just trail stops, but you're right, it doesn't help. Trading in the day. What's good, Eugene? How are we doing, my friend? Long time no see. Is that true? I don't know. What are you saying? Not much. I'm saying... Actually, to be fair, I'm saying quite a lot of things. I'm on stream. PPI news? Yes. Abdullah. PPI news indeed. We might have another one here, chat. We might have another one. What's that guy's name? I keep forgetting it. Heard you say something before? Yeah, I've said a few things. I've said a few things here and there. 15-minute is closing right now. It looks like it wants to close bearish. But like, weak bearish kind of. You got 2 minutes left, so it could do anything. But chat, this is pure consolidation right now. We just have literal consolidation right here. If market structure looks like that, then what? Mashed potato or curly fries? Curly fries, bro. What are you, 6? But to be fair, curly fries are fucking incredible. But you can't be making them on your ones. I can't remember the last time I ate curly fries. Has to be like a good 5 years ago. No way you've got curly fries just chilling in your abode. 5 minute, oh, 5 minute no top wick as well, chat. Bro's eating potato smileys? Yeah, trust me. With a side of alphabet spaghetti, right? Fucking tomato hoops or something. Chat, that... I can't lie, that OG British food was actually unreal in like early 2000s. Poor. Like chicken dippers, potato smileys. Yo, this type of shit. Anyone outside the UK won't understand really, but like this British tapas used to be unbeaten. The mini rolls, curly fries, mini rolls, fucking chicken dippers. This pizza that wasn't really even pizza. Turkey dinosaurs is an American thing, yeah. I don't think we ever had turkey dinosaurs. My mum actually cooked our meals, so I had none of this. My mum's an excellent cook. My mum's actually a banging cook, but if you ever went to university or went to a kid's party when you were younger or something like that, you definitely bro, if you're British and you haven't eaten that food, you've missed out. I don't care what you say. That was my dinner most nights. Eugene, that does not surprise me. Chat, 15-minute close, by the way. Did it close no bottom wick? No, it didn't. I'm just ripping down no top wick. Till this day. Do you like Indian food? Yeah. You don't trade SPX, right? No, I don't. I'm looking at some new things though. I might add ES and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm looking at the indices to be fair. Like Indians? Why have you asked me? It's a crazy question. Yes. Some Indians. I don't discriminate by race. If they're nice, then I like them. Bro, I ordered Indian food like a couple of months ago, and this one guy came to my house and delivered it, and he was Indian. And he was like, he was really fucking confused. He was like, "You're British?" And I was like, "Yeah." And he was like, "You ordered Indian food?" And I was like, "Yeah." He's like, "No way, bro. You like Indian food?" I was like, "Yes." He's like, "Oh, I only ever deliver to Indians." What? How does that make any sense? I feel like everybody eats Indian food. Full margin sells again? If you want, bro, send it. What? Yeah, I know. To be fair, it wasn't in the UK, it was in Cyprus. In the UK, obviously, like, whatever. I think the best Indian food I ate is when I went to England. Unironically, England has the best Indian food in the world. Apart from, it's a different type of Indian food, right? If you went to India, you'd nowhere near get the same shit as you get in England. It's like an Anglicized Indian food. But it's fucking sick. It's so good, actually. You are Aura Farmer dancing on the boat? Am I? No. Shit, I should have done. Oh, that meme wasn't out when I rented the boat the other day. That would have been so sick. That would have been actually fire. Chat, 12 minutes here till news. So much potential right now. Holy potential. Yeah, what happened right now? Okay. You know, India Forex and leverage is banned and under in grey zones. Yeah, I heard about that. That's not good. I heard that is it Jane Street? The hedge fund, investment bank, whatever it is. They basically manipulated the whole Indian market. They basically just went in there, flooded a load of money into different things. They were like, yeah, it was Jane Street. It was Jane Street. So they basically went in and like bought a load of stock and then shorted the same stock in with options and then sold the stock and it dumped. And they just manipulated the fuck out of it and made like $500 million or something. Additionally imposing a fine of over, let's say 4. Oh, isn't this how many? Because if that's 5,000 rupees, that's not much, right? What's a crore though? 1 crore is a wait, what? It's not even a million. That's 10 million. Why is it so? Like, you Indians do weird shit, man. I don't know how much that is in real life. Comics open early, holy. Yeah, sometimes you rip down a little bit early to Comex. It does happen. It does happen. We have Comics open in like 20 seconds here. I want to see what happens. Are we going to rip down before news? Or, to be honest, I believe we'll probably stay in this range until news. Like, you have a massive 5-minute consolidation area right here. Likely it is, you just respect it and just continue. So Comics open right now. Any volume? Not really. So yeah, it did move a little bit early then, I guess. It just moved. Sir, I have a virus on my computer. Can you help me? Crazy. Yeah, give me your Give me your computer login details, your seed phrase for your crypto wallet. No, I'm joking. YouTube, that was a joke. Before YouTube's right. YouTube, that was for comical purposes only, right? Because you've given me a strike for this shit before. I'm not collecting people's seed phrases, okay? All right, I don't need it. I make enough money YouTube, so I just had to put that one in there. Disclaimer. Chat, 15-minute wants to flip here. Fucking YouTube, man, honestly. All right, we're pushing back down. 5-minute flipping. Holy, maybe we actually break out this range for once. That would be nice. Chat, if we can close below the level, sales don't look too bad as well. Honestly, I just want us to get outside this range, to be truly honest. I'd like the sales from like 44 up to 50. I think that'd be very, very nice. Oh, sorry, not the sales, the buys. Cool. Yeah, 8 minutes till PPI. Which should be interesting. Hey Siri, make me a coffee. Imagine. These Indians are crazy good at mathematics and weird things, chess and computers. Yeah, they are good at chess. I've seen that. Magnus Carlsen lost to some Indian kid and then started punching the table. I thought that was quite funny. Even though I really like Magnus Carlsen, but yeah. Chess and computers. It's a funny way to put it, right? Do they still make curly fries? They must do, bro. Eugene's eating them. Mr. Curly Fry over here. 50, 56, 50. What? I think this is the number in USD. Oh, why do you do your decimal places weird, bro? You do like 2, 2, 2, and then 3. It should be 3 every time. Wait, so that is 50, 56, 56, 60, which is, what is that? Yeah, it's £500,000, bro. No, 500 million, sorry. That is, it's a lot of money, to be fair. But they probably made way more than that on that one trade. They probably made billions, right? So they're happy to pay a fine. Oh, no, that's how much they made. Okay, not the fine then. Yeah. I know they got fined a lot, though. Love from India. Much love, bro. He's from China. Who's, what, Eugene? Eugene is from China. Confirmed. Chat, how's everyone's week been so far, though? We're halfway through the week, right? I think we are. Halfway through the week. Are you guys in profit? Yeah. In profit or loss? Break even? No trades? What's your situation right now? Me personally, I've had 2 break evens this week. One on Monday, one on Tuesday. So I'm break even for the week, obviously. What about you guys? 1% down? That's not bad. 1% is nothing, bro. Break even? Okay. Again, you're good. BE. Understand. Life changing. One more day and I get my first futures payout. Take it slow, my brother. Take it slow. What do you need? Like, you need 1 trading day, like a 1 winning trading day or some shit. Is that right? If so, drop your risk dramatically and just get the minimum for the trading day. Honestly, it's worth it. And then once you get the payout, stick it in the Discord so the world can see. 3 wins, Triz. Good shit, man. You're killing it. Killing it. Chat, I love to see you guys winning, man. It's very refreshing to see when when you guys are taking dubs. I'm using a fraction of a percent. That's it. Yeah, W, man. Do you know? No, bro. I don't. Who the fuck is that? SG, have you ever played Batman Arkham City? No. How much do you make from YouTube? $0 fucking, bro. I'm demonetized on YouTube. I make $0 from YouTube. I got a channel strike and I'm completely demonetized. Fucking, honestly, someone must have reported me because YouTube said that I was promoting a fucking financial scam, which is crazy. And then I got a strike for it, and then I got demonetized, and yeah, blah 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 blah. Tony, there's the Discord, brother. I'll donate 1 pip to your stream. I'm good, bro. Keep your pip to yourself, man. Use it for something. Get some curly fries like Eugene or some shit. Chat, let's drop a like on the stream though if you haven't already, man. Much love. I don't know, 0.01 pip. It depends what your lot size is. I'll take it. I'll take it if your lot size is like 1,000 lots. Then yeah, deal. I want my 29p back. I'm keeping that 29p you donated to me on TikTok. I've actually already flipped that 29 pence in a full leverage broker, and I've gone ahead and turned it into $10 billion. Yep, that's right. I turned 29 pence into $1 billion, and here's exactly how I did it. First of all, before I tell you, buy my fucking course right now, and then I'm going to tell you how I turned 29p into $1 billion. Sounds like you're recording from a hook. That was, Eugene, that was actually the joke. Well done. Captain Obvious over here, eh? Where are you from? I'm from, can't think of anything funny, so the UK. I'm using the Mamba strategy to make a meal. Chat, don't trust me. I just spilled my drink. That can't be your mentor. Two minutes here till news, chat. Let's start to lock it in a little bit. Man. Join, bro. I appreciate the motivation and education for success. Anytime, brother. I'm glad you joined the free Discord. Jump in. Make sure you verify as well so you can see the whole server. Bro emoted. Yeah, I actually did. I might back out some emotes here and there on stream. You're gonna see me hit the floss at some point. I'm joking. You'll never see that. Chat, is this a little market structure shift? What's going on? Oh my god, I'm actually hungry again. Wow, how am I hungry? Hungry. Chat, we have a minute and... Oh, not even a minute. 53 seconds left till news. 53 seconds left. Let's see what we can do here, man. For the people who were in the masterclass yesterday, did we get the recording of the class? Were you in it, brother? If you were, then yes. I've already sent it to the people who were in it. $20 seconds till news here, chat. Oh. Let's see how this shit comes out. Yes, I haven't gotten it. Go to the WAP chat. It was in there. Go in the WAP chat. I put it in there. I think market flips. Daily coming down towards the flip. Oh shit, news came out. 30-minute close below most recent. Kind of respecting on the 5-minute though. If this flips, you probably drive down, right? But the hourly could also flip as well. Not really much direction here. I think I genuinely think the hourly close will give us a position here. If we don't get one now, I'm still looking right now, but if we don't get one right now, the hourly close will give you some imp. Never mind, my bad. Haven't checked it this morning. Got sent it whilst asleep. Appreciate the class. Anytime, bro. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Okay, first minute candle closed after news here. Closed bullish, respecting these lows right here, right now. News can't move it. I mean, it did push up a little bit. How did the news come out? Came out. Oh, bad for the dollar. So good for gold. Technically should push gold back up. Yeah, man. So they predicted 0.2 for both. It was 0.0 actually. And yeah. 30 minutes come up first. No bottom wick. 1 hour still has no real top wick as well. It's interesting, chat, right now. Price could do anything here within this range. Absolutely anything. So you need to be very, very careful. Holy Sigma, chat. Holy Sigma. Just some direction, please. Once we get a breakout, I'm pretty certain we're going to have a clear direction and a clear entry today. So I don't think it's going to be a no trade day, but I do think we need to wait for some clear direction first. And then we're going to be all good. Right? Right. The lights just went up. Hey, Mr. Green's in the building. Chat, follow Mr. Green's lead, man. Drop a like if you haven't already. Wow, we flipped. We flipped on that 30. Tapped into a level here. Quite a strong one and rejected. Very strongly now. Is this a liquidity grab? Who knows? It could be. Let's see how this 5 plays out, chat. It's going to be very important here. Oh. So a closure below this level gives you a pretty clear direction, obviously. If we are going to get buys in the range, right, chat? If we're going to get buys within this area right here in the middle, I'm going to need to see like essentially a sweep below these levels, a liquidity grab below here somewhere. Once you get that, if you reject and close bullish like this, or maybe even if we close engulfing on this one, we can take the buys back up. You just take... No. No, 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 no. No, no, no. In full margin buys. This guy. Full margin. I'm going in. Full margin. Holy, we are ripping though, chat. Maybe Mr. Nocturnal Owl was right. Anyone watch the Family Guy seasons recently? It's not the same. I've never ever watched Family Guy in my life. Chat, 5-minute closing here in 45 seconds. Must be gay then, I can't lie. Crazy. Rejecting from both directions now, chat. This is 27 seconds to this 5-minute here. The 5-minute close strong bullish. I might look at some buys after a bottom wick, right? Ooh. So stay locked in here. We might have something on this 5, maybe even the 15. 15 might be the better play. Holy shit, what is going on, man? That is a big rejection though. Doesn't look like a liquidity grab to me. I was going to say that's a nice little bottom wick there for us to take some buys potentially, but that does not look like a good rejection there. Unless it's a super aggressive liquidity grab. In fact, chat, I'm going to have a buy stop on this flip right now for the 5 minute. We're just going to try this one out. I'm taking it on an evaluation, right? So just mind your own risk if you're taking this position. Not activated yet. Yeah, okay. I'm going to wait for the 15 chat. I'm deleting that right now. I wanted an immediate reaction, right? I didn't do it, so I deleted the buy stops. Delete, 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 delete. It would have been good if we flipped immediately. You might still flip chat on this 5 and rip up, right? But I'd rather just wait. This is... If it flipped immediately, I would have been very confident in that position. That would have been my confirmation, but it now struggled to flip. It rebroke the low again. Like, it made a top wick and flip. It's not clean anymore, chat. So we'll wait. We'll stay patient here. We will stay patient here. I mean, not that that was impatient. I don't think it was. I think it was a valid trade, but... with a rejection like this, I'll probably wait till 2 p.m. Yeah. Leonidas, what's good, brother? Looks bearish. Yeah, news came out bullish for gold, though, so... I mean, we'll see. Got 7 minutes here till a 15-minute closure. That 2 o'clock closure is going to be very, very important for us, I believe. Very important for us. So let's see. How do I pop it out? Yeah, that's way better. Holy. Wait, where's the chat gone? Okay, it's here, it's here. Nice. Oh, that's a lot nicer. I just popped out chat. All right, cool. What the helly? What the helionte? Yeah, 1 minute closing bearish as well here. Could be a lower high on the 1 minute, to be sorry, a higher low on the 1 minute, but again, sells could also print out here. So we have indecision here. And when you have indecision, the best thing you can do is just wait for clean direction. I always say this, right? You want to be taking a trade. Whenever you're taking a trade, you want to be absolutely certain that it's going in the direction of your trade. You like in your mind, it should be like there's no chance it goes anywhere else other than fucking up if you're in buys or down if you're in sells, right? Why is NQ going crazy? Oh, so's Ethereum though. Nice, nice, nice. Give me some more profits. Yes, yes, yes. Pull out the Aiden Ross move. Taking some, what, the Halliburton? What, the Halle Berry? What, the Helionte? Oh, pushing up a bit here, chat. 5 minute, closing in a minute's time. A lot of potential here right now. We're printing, chat. Right now, we're in the phase just before you get a trade, right? The market consolidates, then it has like a little phase where it starts to print, starts to warm up. The market's just like giving you some little teasers right now. It's warming up, and then it's printing a setup. For us in about 15, 20 minutes, we're going to get a nice little trade, I believe. So let's just be patient and see. So much opportunity right now. What, the Sigma? 1 minute flipped. Chat, the 5 minute might flip here in the last 10 seconds. I wouldn't be unlike gold. Holy, there's no direction here. Absolutely no direction. Yeah, look, 5 minutes closed in the middle of nowhere, basically. Chat, if we stay in this range, it's going to be pretty difficult to get a trade here. I also have a meeting to get to at like 2:30, something like that. So I can't stay on for too long today, unfortunately. Tex? Oh, that was weird. It came up with... Let's go gold. I thought you were in full margin buys. Surely you've been cooked by now if you were full margin buys. Oh my days. Like, it's just ripping randomly. What is this? So it came up and flipped. Well, not flipped, but it came up to where that 5 no top wick was after rejecting so heavily. 1 minute made a higher low, technically. Now I bought a 32. Nice. Spread is mad right now. Take a look at the spread. Money's fake. Money is fake. All money is fake. That is a very good point. Such a random push up here, to be honest. Like, I don't know why I didn't do it on the 5 minute candle. Extremely weird PA from gold. Wandom. Wheelie Wandom. Twice is Wheelie Wandom. Buy BEC? BEC, man. That's like a Geordie person saying Bitcoin. Maybe. I think probably not the best time to be... Oh, yeah. Let me buy stop on the flip of that 5 minute or what? I'm a pretty tall guy. I'm wee dangerous. What a meme. All right, chat. 2 minutes here to the 15 close. Let's see what happens on this 15. In it, no kissing though. See, look, chat, rejection now straight away. This is crazy. It's weird ass price action. You can't trade this. If you're trying to take a trade right now, stop it. All right, you just can't be trading this. 5 minute reflipped. What the helly? Closing bearish. Also starting to reject though. Like, what the actual hell is going on, man? Next one to place a trade is gay. Yeah, okay, deal. Chat, I'm getting in buys here. I'm not actually. For anyone who believed it. If you believed it, you're a fool. Nah, man. I pressed the button. I knew it. I knew it. I'm on batty boy. Whoa, I'm sweating. Stop sweating. Bro, I took buys at you. 50k in drawdown. Pineapple. More trades. If you're in drawdown, just more positions. Keep stacking them up. Oh shit, I'm in 50 pips of drawdown. Add another. Now you're only in 25 pips of drawdown. Add another. And then another. And then another. Keep adding them. And then you cannot lose. It's physically impossible. All right? Just keep adding positions. All right? Until margin call. There's no such thing as margin call. There's no such thing. Just keep fucking adding these positions. The further you go down, and then your entry comes down. Look, chat, I'll show you. I'll show you right now. I'm actually in buys from all the way up here, right? I got the worst entry possible, but you guys are never going to guess what I've done. Another one, 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 another one. Chat, eventually, if I keep stacking these buys, in fact, let's go to the 1 minute and play some more. All right, chat, eventually, I'm going to be break even here. There's no possibility that it goes against me right now, chat. It's physically impossible. All right? Eventually, we'll get back to break even, I promise. SK, I'm not even reading that out, my boy. Holy. Chat, I'm about to hit break even here. And closing full, one pip in profit. Congratulations, chat. W. Oh, my bad. My bad, my bad, my bad. Chat, I'm just playing, man. All love around here. Shots fired? Nah, no shots. Blow your ancestors' money, crazy. Chat, we are ripping down right now. Why you have a short selling there? Nah, I didn't. Now I understand why YouTube's doing it. Nah, maybe. Tutorial on how to be homeless. That's a speed run right there on how to actually make chat. Someone clip that, by the way. It's a tutorial on how to make serious cash and never blow your account. I don't know what you're on about, Sam. I just don't know what you're on about. Is there something wrong in your brain when you trade like this, or are you too smart for the charts? I don't know, man. Jokes aside, that's phase 2 on your curriculum. Oh, exposed. Exposed. You got me. I'm never coming back from that one, chat. Can't financially recover. All right, cool. They want my $100? Yeah, they're coming for it, bro. They're coming for your $100 that you full margined. Don't let them get it. There's one ultimate tactic I saw of the using pineapple buyers, lost positions and took sales with pineapples. This guy's next level now. Revenge trade with the pineapples. We're adding all these confluences together. Risk management through the fucking roof, chat. So smart. Why have we not thought of this shit before? If you lose in buys, take sells with multiple positions. Holy shit. Here's how I made $15,000 today trading gold. First of all, I had a position here. Holy shit. All right, I'm out of breath on that one. Let's keep it moving. Chat, we have a 15, well no, the 15 did close, sorry. Bearish. We have a 1 hour closure here in 10 minutes. Here's how these 20 confluences wait, yeah. Holy Sigma. I'm not even reading that one out. Chat, we're on 50 viewers, 23 likes. What's going on, man? Let's get it to at least 30. Much love. Yeah, we're ripping down now, chat. Holy. Maybe we get a continuation down here to break these lows. We would need a top wick first, though. Daily flip is inbound. You're like 80 pips off that daily flip. I mean, technically, if you're trading gold, you can hedge because over time, it should technically go up as a precious metal. I can't rely on that, though, bro. You didn't get my entry, $200 a month to get you Discord signals. SK, brother, how you doing, man? Long time no see, by the way. Hopefully you're good. See that little dog pop up in chat? I knew immediately who it is. Every now and then, all of the OGs pull up at once, and it's like we got all the Infinity Stones. It's crazy. Good, bro. Hope you're well. Yeah, I'm chilling, brother. I'm chilling. How's the weather over there? Fantastic, my friend. It's literally 35 degrees every day without fail. Can I interest you in some dog supplements? Eugene's a TikTok shop affiliate right now. $10 billion. Holy shit, 1 minute close below. Next one, top wick first. Oh, no, it's a 5 minute, sorry. My bad. Might get a little flipperoonies. No wick, yeah, no bottom wick really. Plus, we're 10 minutes away from the hourly close. It makes way more sense to be waiting here. That webinar yesterday absolutely printed, by the way. Like, that was actually so much fucking fun. I definitely will have to do another one like next year or something. Okay, we're pushing back some chat. Maybe this was the liquidity grab we're looking for. In fact, if this 15 does close bullish here, you would technically have like a pretty decent move like this. Liquidity grabbed, continuation up. It's on the table. Are you still around in 2025? I don't know, man. Wait, did he say 2025? Oh, he said by the end of 2025, right? Because if he said in 2025, I can already make the video, right? But I think he said that by the end of 2025. I can't remember. Yeah, yeah, he did say the end. Okay. Otherwise, I would have made a video flexing right now. Yeah, we move. I'm excited for that one though. It's marked in my calendar. Flex on Unk. Flex on the hater Unk on this day. Flex in December. Yeah, true actually. December 31st. I'm gonna put out. In fact, that'll be the goal, chat. I'm gonna get an iced out AP by the end of December. Pull up like this. No, I'm joking. It's not really me. Yeah, we're pushing back up here, chat. Grab some liquidity. Look at this 4 hour right now. It's insane. 4 hour on Awanda is closing though very shortly. Is that a little dot there? It is. Get rid of that. So this could be the position here in about 7 minutes, chat. Let's see what we can do. I think there's a lot of opportunity right now, to be honest. If this 15 closes bullish, I'm taking buys. Bullish with a top wick. I think we're straight in there off buys. Not straight in there, actually. Because everything else would still be bearish, right? Unless a 30 closes bullish, that could be good. All right, chat, there's a lot of potential here, though. Again, this could also just be a pullback to continue down, right? So we need to see. But this could also be, chat, remember at the start of stream, I was teaching you the fake market structure shift? This could also be that right now. Printing out on the charts. If you didn't see that, go back and watch it or watch the video that's on my YouTube about it. But could also be having that happen right here, right now. You haven't really grabbed any liquidity to push down either. I mean, you have on this candle, but other than that, it's mostly the other way around. 5 minute closing here in about 50 seconds. If it closes within the range, I think there's a decent chance we continue to close bullish. You take anything? No, we had some buy stops, but I deleted them before they got activated, and rightfully so. Chat, that's as well how you manage risk on these positions before you even get in them, right? I'm looking for very specific entry criteria every time I take a trade. Time I slept in, just woke up, hate this feeling. Just make sure you're productive for the rest of the day, bro. That's all you can do, right? You can't complain about what happened before. Just make the rest of your day productive as you can. 30-minute flips as well. Chat, we might look at some buys here on this open. Holy, unless it rips without us before we even get a chance. One hour respects, I have unreal buys. Unreal. Market structure is still technically bearish on the 15 minute though. I'd be careful. Asian session cooked me. Now back to B on my funded W, bro. Hey, what's good, Kata? How's it going, brother? Poppin', man. Chat, 5 minute close bullish as well. This could be nice here. Little liquidity grab below the range. What did I say earlier, chat? honestly, I tell you, I keep fucking calling every single move, right? I literally said, if we're going to get buys, we need to see a sweep below this level, right? And I said, I think what's going to happen is we're going to either sweep below the level and reject very aggressively, or we'll continue down, which obviously, whatever. But what is starting to happen now? Maybe we predicted that trade. If this closes bullish, we could be in there like swimwear. 5 minutes, no top wick right now, though. Scraps or proper paper? Neither, bro. That's dead music. I'm just patiently waiting for my setup on the DAX or FTSE. But PA just wants to do some sideways job. You know, DAXi in Cypriot means okay. If you say DAXi, it means okay. Or DAX. I hear it all the time and I'm like, shit, is someone talking about in indices right now? Everyone's just like, yeah, DAX, DAX, DAX. Okay, okay, okay. No, it doesn't. Mad. Mr. Linguist over here saying no, it doesn't. Dachshund. Bad boy, dog. Chat, 3 minutes to the hourly close. I think we're going to get a position either way, to be honest. I don't want to jinx it, but if we can close below... The only way we wouldn't get a position right now is if we close like this. Respecting the level and then also bearish. You close respecting the level bullish, we'll take the buys up. All depends right now, chat. Chat, let's get to 40 likes on the stream, by the way. Much appreciated. This gold right now is being a little... Would this be a sky dweller? Yeah, on the 15 minute it would be, right? This would be a sky dweller, yes. That's time. We're in at 40. Who's slacking? Are we at 40? It says 20, 29 on mine. Flipping. Chat is so indecisive right now. This is insane. 5 minute flips though, we could be good. That might be the liquidity grab for us to continue up though. The 5 minute flips on the open, it's going to just rip straight through. If we don't get a trade here, chat, I might be done. I might be done because, like I said, I've got an appointment to get to. Dunzo. Patience, man. Chat, you guys know me. You guys are part of TRLS. You guys are the most patient traders in the game. TRLS as a whole is a community that is known for being patient as fuck. Oh shit, are we flipping on the close? We are. Muy interesante. And then re-flipping. Yo, chat, what is going on, man? Holy Sigma. Gold can't decide what it wants for fucking breakfast, chat. Got no idea what's going on. Uno reverse. Yeah, man. A lot of volume though, to be fair, which is very good. In fact, I might stay until like NYSE open. I might do that. We'll see. How are we going to close here, chat? You got 30 seconds right now. Cheesy beans in the pot. Yo, cheesy beans when you put the cheese in the pot is elite. Chat, 15 minutes here. You gypsy geek, you'd be selling real gold in a... Whoa. Not nice. Holy shit, chat. That flipped way too fast for me. Way too fast. Only a 5 pip bottom wick as well. I wanted to try and jump in that, but I wanted a bigger bottom wick and it flipped way, way, way too fast. Give me like a second to look at it. I'm so patient. I had a BE trade yesterday and my last one before that was Wednesday. I'm super picky. Yeah, trust me. That's how you make money though. I don't trust this now. That is so unfortunate because that was really clean, to be honest. With the bottom wick on the open, it just did not come down further enough. Only 15-minute looks good. Higher time frame looks shit, guys. No, not really. I'm looking at that with the 4-hour confluence of the 4-hour coming up and flipping, right? I think this is a liquidity grab on the 4-hour. 2-hour as well is similar story. The previous 2-hour rejected very heavily from down here. 1 hour, yeah, the 1 hour doesn't look as good, but also at the same time, you had essentially, this is one of my positions right here, consolidation period, rejection, retest the top of the consolidation, which we just did, and then a continuation up, which is a very good position normally, right? This is something I take a lot because you retested the previous high here as well. I think it's completely valid. I just wasn't able to grab that entry. And again, it is being indecisive too. So the indecision is more than anything what's making me not take this. What's good, Ethan? How's it going, brother? There you go, chat. It's starting to rip up here. The fact that it's being indecisive is the main thing that stopped me from taking that right there. Not the fact that it doesn't look good, because I think it really does. There you go. Should have taken it? Bro. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, eh? There's no should have, right? We didn't take it for a reason. I'll stand by my analysis. I know you're trolling. Because I know you. You're in here all the time, right? But, Mr. Fam. But, I'm going to make the point anyway. Favorite political party? The TRLS party. Going to change lives. I spanked on Monday, but had a good GBP trade today. Nice. Chat, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already, man. Much appreciated. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. I'm going to call it here. I'm going to go hit the fucking gym. And then get to my appointment on time. No, other way around. I'm going to go to my appointment on time and then hit the gym. Yeah, it was a good stream. I can't lie. It was a good stream, but unfortunately we just weren't able to print anything here today. We weren't able to catch anything, which is... It is what it is, man. It's part of the game. So be it. If you haven't already, make sure you go watch the most recent YouTube video. That one was an absolute screamer. And yeah, glad I just caught you. Have a blessed day. You too, Ethan. I appreciate you, man. Thanks for the stream, W7. Appreciate you all. Chat, much love to you all, man. Chat, join up on the GeoGuessr though. Holy. We just got the influx of... We just got immigration right here into the GeoGuessr. Give me a GeoGuessr account. You don't need to pay for the account, bro, to play. Chat, you don't need GeoGuessr to play this. You can play for free because I have premium, right? Like, you don't need to pay for it. I'll give you 10 seconds to join, chat, and then we'll start. Oh, sweet. Click the link, man. There you go, you got in. Ethan Brackett's Papa is crazy. Chat, we got a fucking fully subscribed game right now. Also, chat, by the way, I forgot to say, Apex are having a huge sale right now. I believe, do they have 90% right now? It's either 90% or 80%. If you haven't already, make sure you go grab an account with them. Use code TRLS. You're going to get 80% off, I believe, or even maybe 90. If you do want to trade on Forex instead, go over and trade on ACG using code SG. And without further ado, let's start the blood clot game. I'm hungry, man. Where is that? That is gotta be like Thailand or some shit like that. Maybe India, I don't know. Yeah, I'll take it. I will take it. 6th place, even though I got the right country. It's gonna be a competitive game, I reckon, chat. By the way, gold flipped again, right? So you probably would have hit break even if you took that position. Oh shit, I'm cooking myself. That's got to be like somewhere up here, no? It's either this one or it's like some Swedish shit. Slovenia. Who got that close? You must be Slovenian. Mark. Maybe not. Maybe you're just good at GeoGuessr. Victory settings thrown the wrong guesses in to confuse people again. It's an interesting game he plays. It's a banana tree, I think. Oh wait, chat, come back here. A little one forward. No, just a little one, man. Fuck, what do you say? I don't know. I can't read it. I'm sticking it somewhere in here. Oh, it's probably like Kuala Lumpur or some shit. China? Huh? Hong Kong and that? What's going on? Oh. Oh. There's some crazy massages in that place. Guaranteed. I think it might be the island, I can't lie. Holy Sigma, chat. Nah, I wasn't that close. 6 kilometers away. Final round. It's actually all to play for on this one, chat. I'm gonna go this way. What do you say here? Okay. That's gotta be like one of these two. Is that Brussels or is that Netherlands? I'm gonna go a little bit closer towards Netherlands, but I'm gonna leave it in the middle for like a... It wasn't even, it was fucking Luxembourg. Oh, yes. Okay, I'll take it, man. I'll take a second. Emmanuel cooked with nearly 20k points. Mark in third. I'll take a nice little second. Congratulations. Chat, that was the stream, man. You can see my GT3 RS pretty sick, right? That was the stream. Why did TradingView come up on the other screen then? Anyway, much love to you guys, man. Chat, have a great rest of your day. Catch you guys in the next one. If you are trading, trade responsibly. Peace out. Much love. Bye-bye. See you guys later. Oh, we're going for the old one today. Go watch the new YouTube video whilst you're at it. Fucking banger.